Hi, hello, I'm Abraham. The question of today is how to store collections of data in Python. There are four built-in options to store multiple items into one single variable. These are lists, tuples, sets, and dictionaries. Today we'll learn about lists. So lists are ordered and immutable, which means they are changeable. And they allow duplicates. You can construct them either by using these double brackets or by using this constructor, this function list, and passing in here any iterable object, usually tuples in here, but can be anything, lists, dictionaries, strings. Um, Examples like in here we have like collection of data 5.7 for yes, which is a string, and another numeric data type. So these are the data structure we have in Python. So let's work with them. So let's create some lists. I'll have another a list called classes. I'll start in them the classes I intend. For example, CS51, CS50, maybe calculus AB. To access or to retrieve an element from lists, use indexing just like in strings. So for example, classes 1 will get me the second item, CS50. To add another item in your list, you can use append to add to in the end of your list. So let's append, for example, calculus BC. If we print that, we'll see that calculus BC will be added to the end of the list. Same result can be achieved using concatenation. So classes plus equals list. So you concatenation always you always concatenate two things of similar type. String, list. So this is a list, so I'll concatenate to another list. And I'll add chemistry, maybe 101. If we print that, we'll see chemistry 101 will be added to the end. If we want to insert or add an element in a specific index, we can use the insert method. And passing in the index we want to insert in. So maybe 1, and let's insert, for example, physics 101. If we print our classes, we'll see that now physics 101 is has the index 1. To delete elements, you can use pop or remove. Pop will remove the last element, or by using remove classes remove. Pop accepts the index of the real element, and remove accepts the name or the item. So for example, remove CS50, and we'll return none if successful. So you can see that classes that CS50 and chemistry 101 has been removed or have been removed. You can also use slicing to remove objects or items. For example, let's remove the first two items using this syntax. So classes, if we print them now, we see that only calculus AB and calculus BC are there. what else? To delete a list or to clear a list, you can use clear method, or by using let's assign it to maybe 1, 2, and 3. You can also use the slicing, so this will select all the items and assign it to an empty list. So if we print it, it will be empty. So that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. We can update items by accessing them. For example, CS51, let's exit that, or 51, and change it to, for example, CS 221. If we print it another time, we'll see that CS51 has been changed to the value I set.